Hi, welcome back to the shop. So I've got PM 127. It's an M1163. This belongs to a friend of the shop. He's a guy that we've known for a while. So he brought it in just for a few quick things on it. I'll kind of circle them here on it. So first off, what we do, we bring it in, we do a full vehicle inspection on it. We kind of take the pans off, we just go through it head to toe. We check the fluids, we check airbags, we check CV boots, we check brakes, all this different stuff on it. One thing we did on this, it had one bad airbag. The other three were in really good shape. I had 2 used airbags in the shop, so I just sold him 1 used airbag, changed that out. He's all good on airbags. He'd already done the CV boots when he first got it, so they were all in really good shape. We did find a couple of oil leaks. The transfer case had an oil leak, the transmission had an oil leak, so we fixed that stuff up. One of the things he complained about was on the brakes, that the brakes squealed really bad. So we removed the calipers, we removed the pads, and we added some anti-squeak stuff to the back of the pads and cleaned it all up, put it all back together. So that fixed that problem. We did one thing we always do is set the suspension height. We make sure that these marks are correct, because we've actually had with a 4.5 growler sitting here, and 3 of them had marks in different spots. So we've actually figured out how to calibrate these, so we know we get these in the right spot by another measurement that we're able to take, and then we set the right height. With the right height controller inside, we set the the regular right height for them so that it's accurate. Going inside, you can see he's got a nice set of doors. He's got a full canvas. We added a key switch for him, so we can lock it out and have a key for it. We fixed the cable lock. This steering wheel lock cable thing, it had a problem down inside with the sheath that it rides in. Of course, we had to replace a couple of the screws and a couple of the riv nuts on the dash after doing that, because they always seem to have problems. They always seem to seize up. This 1163 already has the updated steering. It has the iCube update on it, and so it also has the updated headlights for that. One problem with the iCube update headlights is the adjusters on them. They're these plastic things that stick out, and they always break, and they're a pain in the butt to adjust. So I've kind of come up with a kit to change the adjusters on here, so you don't have that problem anymore. I got rid of the plastic, and they're real easy to adjust. You can either use a ratchet, it's like a small 1/4 inch ratchet, or you can use a slotted screwdriver, and that takes care of that problem. So we've also added a drain to the front frame tank, cable pull drain, so he could drain it easily. We always double check the drain on the main tank here to make sure it doesn't stick, make sure it's not leaking, make sure it works right. And then this one here, the owner has a real nice rear canvas for this, but he was missing the rear bow, this rear bar back here. So I had some of these fabricated. They're exact dimensions to the original. We even put the stainless steel turn buttons on it, fabricated the short sidebars. We haven't painted it yet. We're going to leave that for the owner. He does a lot of the work on this himself, and that's something he can do to save money, so he's not paying us to paint something like that. So sorry this video is a little choppy. It's up on the trailer, and I didn't want to be climbing up and down while I'm filming the whole time, so I'm just kind of filming each little segment. I'll just edit it all together. 127, she's a real nice 63. The owner's done a lot of the work himself. She's in really good shape. He just wanted us to come through and just make sure it's roadworthy, fix any other things that we could find wrong with it. So anyways, this is just a real short video on this one, just to document it just for the future, so we kind of have a history on this vehicle. And just thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you have any friends that are into this kind of stuff, or into off-roading, Jeep, military vehicles, whatever, please share the video. And as always, have a good day. Thank you.